The Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented technological advancement, was fueled by a confluence of factors. Increased agricultural productivity led to a surplus of labor, driving migration to urban centers. The availability of natural resources, such as coal and iron ore, provided the raw materials necessary for industrial production. Innovations like the steam engine and the power loom revolutionized manufacturing processes, enabling mass production and increased efficiency. A growing global market, facilitated by improved transportation networks, created demand for manufactured goods. Furthermore, a supportive political and economic climate, characterized by laissez-faire policies and the protection of private property, encouraged entrepreneurship and investment. These conditions converged to create the perfect storm for industrialization to take root and flourish, transforming societies and economies across the globe. Imagine a world awakening to the hum of machinery, where fields yield more than ever before. Farmers, with fewer hands needed on the land, find themselves drawn to burgeoning cities. These urban centers pulse with the promise of work, a new kind of life unfolding within their crowded streets. Beneath the surface, the earth yields its treasures: coal, black as night, and iron ore, the bones of future industry. These raw materials become the lifeblood of a revolution, fueling the forges and powering the looms. And what of these marvels of engineering? The steam engine, a metal heart beating with fiery breath, drives the wheels of progress. The power loom, a mechanical weaver, spins threads into cloth at speeds never before imagined. Factories rise like giants, their innards echoing with the rhythmic clang of production. Goods flow forth in quantities that dwarf the output of cottage industries. Across oceans and continents, a web of trade expands. Ships laden with wares crisscross the globe, carrying the fruits of industrial labor to eager markets. Demand surges, a hungry beast that drives innovation ever onward. But it is not just technology that fuels this transformation. A new spirit takes hold, a belief in individual enterprise and the freedom to pursue wealth. Governments, guided by the principle of laissez-faire, step back and allow the market to find its own course. Private property is sacrosanct, encouraging investment and rewarding risk-taking. Entrepreneurs emerge, bold and ambitious, ready to seize the opportunities that abound. Scientists and inventors tinker in their workshops, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to improve. Capital flows like a river, irrigating the fields of industry and nurturing new ventures. All these forces converge, a perfect alignment of circumstances that ignites the Industrial Revolution. It is a moment of unprecedented change, a turning point in human history. Societies are reshaped, economies are transformed, and the world is forever altered. From the quiet countryside to the bustling city, the ripples of this revolution spread far and wide. The old ways give way to the new, and the future beckons with both promise and peril. The air crackles with excitement, a sense of boundless possibility. But beneath the surface, shadows lurk, hinting at the challenges and inequalities that lie ahead. The Industrial Revolution has begun, and there is no turning back. Its impact will be felt for generations to come, shaping the world we inhabit today. The stage is set, the players are in place, and the drama unfolds with relentless force. The world would never be the same. It was a time of great change. It was a time of great opportunity. It was a time of great challenge. It was a time of great transformation. It was a time of great progress. It was a time of great innovation. It was a time of great growth. It was a time of great upheaval. It was a time of great promise. It was a time of great peril. It was a time of great hope. It was a time of great fear. It was a time of great uncertainty. But above all, it was a time of great change. And the world would never be the same. The revolution had begun. The world was changing, and there was no turning back. As industrialization took root, transforming societies and economies, its effects were far-reaching. While it led to increased wealth and improved living standards for some, it also created significant inequalities. The rise of factories led to harsh working conditions, long hours, and low wages for many laborers. This was especially true for women and children, who were often exploited for their cheap labor. The rapid urbanization that accompanied industrialization resulted in overcrowded cities and poor sanitation. Living conditions in these urban centers were often squalid, with inadequate housing and limited access to clean water. The lack of proper sanitation led to the spread of disease, further exacerbating the plight of the urban poor. Industrial pollution also took a toll on the environment, contributing to air and water pollution. Factories spewed out smoke and toxins, polluting the air and making it difficult to breathe. Rivers and streams were contaminated with industrial waste, harming aquatic life and posing a threat to human health. The rise of capitalism, which was closely linked to industrialization, led to the concentration of wealth. A few individuals and families accumulated vast fortunes, while the majority of the population struggled to make ends meet. This concentration of wealth exacerbated social tensions, creating a divide between the rich and the poor. Despite these negative consequences, industrialization also spurred innovation and technological advancements. New industries emerged, creating new products and opportunities. The development of new technologies, such as the steam engine and the power loom, revolutionized manufacturing processes. These advancements led to increased efficiency and productivity, driving economic growth. The Industrial Revolution fundamentally reshaped societies, economies, and the environment. It left a lasting legacy that continues to shape the world today. The rise of factories brought with it a host of problems for the working class. Long hours were the norm, with many laborers toiling for 12 to 16 hours a day. Wages were meager, barely enough to provide for basic necessities. Working conditions were often dangerous, with little regard for the safety of the workers. Accidents were common, and many laborers suffered injuries or even death on the job. Children were particularly vulnerable, as they were often employed in hazardous occupations. They were forced to work long hours in dangerous conditions, often for a fraction of the wages paid to adults. The lack of education and opportunities further limited their prospects, perpetuating a cycle of poverty. Urbanization also brought its own set of challenges. Cities grew rapidly, straining existing infrastructure and resources. Housing was in short supply, leading to overcrowding and the development of slums. Sanitation was poor, with inadequate waste disposal and sewage systems. This created breeding grounds for disease, leading to outbreaks of cholera, typhoid, and other infectious illnesses. Pollution was another major problem in industrial cities. Factories spewed out smoke and fumes, polluting the air and water. The burning of coal for fuel contributed to smog and respiratory problems. Industrial waste contaminated rivers and streams, harming aquatic life and posing a threat to human health. The concentration of wealth in the hands of a few also had significant social and economic consequences. The gap between the rich and the poor widened, leading to increased social tensions. The wealthy elite enjoyed a life of luxury, while the working class struggled to survive. This inequality fueled resentment and discontent, leading to social unrest and political instability. However, industrialization also brought about positive changes. It spurred innovation and technological advancements, leading to new industries and products. The development of the steam engine, the power loom, and other machines revolutionized manufacturing processes. These advancements increased efficiency and productivity, driving economic growth and creating new opportunities. The Industrial Revolution also led to improvements in transportation and communication. The development of the railroad and the steamship made it easier to transport goods and people over long distances. The invention of the telegraph and the telephone revolutionized communication, enabling people to communicate more quickly. Despite its negative consequences, the Industrial Revolution ultimately transformed societies and economies. It laid the foundation for modern capitalism and the global economy. Its legacy continues to shape the world today, influencing everything from our technology to our social structures. The era's complex interplay of progress and hardship remains a crucial lesson. It highlights the importance of addressing social and environmental challenges alongside economic development. The Industrial Revolution's impact is a reminder of the need for balance and sustainability. It underscores the importance of ensuring that the benefits of progress are shared by all. The lessons learned from this transformative period continue to inform our approach to development. They guide our efforts to create a more just and sustainable world for future generations. The Industrial Revolution's legacy is a complex and multifaceted one. It is a story of both triumph and tragedy, of progress and hardship. It is a reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the importance of social responsibility. Its echoes can still be heard today, shaping the world we live in.